Hey there, YouTube creators. Are you struggling to get more views on your videos and feeling frustrated with the slow growth of your channel? Well, fear not, because I'm here to share some insider tips and tricks on how to skyrocket your views and take your channel to the next level. First things first, you need to focus on creating high-quality content that is engaging, informative, and entertaining. Make sure to put in the effort to produce visually appealing videos with great lighting, crisp audio, and eye-catching graphics. Remember, first impressions are everything, so make sure your thumbnails are captivating and click-worthy. Next, don't forget the power of keywords and SEO. Take the time to do thorough research on keywords that are relevant to your niche and include them in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more views from people searching for that specific topic. Another key factor in getting more views is promoting your videos across all of your social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other platforms where your audience hangs out. Engage with your followers, ask for their feedback, and encourage them to like, comment, and share your videos with their friends and followers. Collaborations are also a great way to reach a wider audience and gain more views on your videos. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and propose a collaboration where you can both promote each other's channels and videos to your respective audiences. And last but not least, don't underestimate the power of consistency. Post regularly, stick to a schedule, and keep your audience engaged and excited for more content from you. The more consistently you post, the more opportunities you have to attract new viewers and keep them coming back for more. So there you have it, my friends. Follow these tips, put in the hard work, and watch your views soar to new heights. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but with dedication and perseverance, your channel can become a YouTube sensation in no time. Happy creating and good luck!